Alright, I want y'all to see this.
Dog thought I wasn't gonna
Alright,
get it.
I did a little test run down here on this back rim, and you can see it's nice and clean, mostly. You see these black marks, we got a problem with this, y'all. So I was doing experiments in my kitchen, and good old Comet. That's what I used. Watch this, y'all. Y'all always say you can't get this off. Watch this. Da 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 da. Y'all gotta see this. Good old Comet coming to the rescue.
Damn, that shit do look funny.
That's what I want to share with y'all today. Comet. Take off the black marks off your tires. I bet this works on cars too. I bet Comet works on white walls.
All type of shit, yeah.
I was trying to figure out how to get it off. I even seen it on forums. People don't, they're like, there's no way. So my harebrained ass was like, Comet. Cleans everything in my house. Cleans all that grit out of my
Oh, man.
shower after work.
I've been so fucking lazy, man.
Oh, this is the guy that
There you go, guys.
yesterday told me.
A clean tire, that fast.
This is his system.
Talking about bullcrap with my friends, and I got clean rubber now. See that? Ain't that crazy? Let's get the other side. Sorry, I got limited room here in my kitchen.
Oh, we got a 12.
That's a 12 right there. He got 2 of those. Yep. He has a bad fucking system.
Damn. Shout out to
There you go. That's how you clean your gumballs, y'all. Sure it is.